This is how we've commercialized our culture. And it's not up to the can't blame this one on the Palangis. We need to take responsibility for it ourselves. There's no shame in going back to what it originally was, a beautiful coconut with a straw in it. There's no shame in that. Because everyone's now trying to go back to except the Samoans. The Samoans are going the other way, other people are going the other way. Please, don't let money be the thing that corrupts our culture.
So my name is Loretta Washington. I am stationed here at Hickam Air Force Base here in Honolulu, Hawaii, and today is day 3. As with the previous 2 days, it's been really a good refresher. Sitting in class really makes me reflect back on when I was a kid. Malalaungiu, Sailua. Alo, omangu akele, mako'o faleula.
Taro falava, oro ingo mausi tuitele, tu sau mele nu'u o Leone, I Amerika Samoa.
Talofa, olo ingo o wesa o pitaya mausi tuitele, tu sau mele nu'u fa'alu I Amerika Samoa. Aingo aingo nofo.
The books, they give you all of this knowledge that loads you up to go and perform it, but being able to perform it for the first time is just, it gives you goosebumps. It's very hard for us, even though we speak Samoan in the home, we hardly get any chances to demonstrate the culture. And it's the experience that really teaches us.
Everything just happens so fast that we don't really sit back and appreciate what's really going on. So today, breaking down the laungas with the Makais helps you really appreciate it better.
So you see when he comes out, he stamps it. You must come with a game plan. The family must come with a game plan to the hall. They don't just rock up. The auntie that didn't come all week and then just turns up on that morning all done up and, yeah, do this, and the girls don't know who to listen to. We've all got those aunties in our families. Everyone's got one of those aunties. But you've got to stick to the plan. And the plan has been written down last night when we gathered at Uncle's house and graded the iatongas. We all agreed what was going to go over there. And the plan has been written down by one of the girls or one of the guys, probably grandma's grandson or granddaughter, who's been recording all the money coming in throughout the week and things. So she's got the plan, he vocalizes the plan, and we deliver the plan. Does that make sense? Okay.
I haven't done that in, I don't know. Every time there's always a fale bilave, I always hide or I just sit with my grandma or my mom. I never did that before. And for me to do that tonight was an experience. And I felt like that's my place and I'm learning and I'm just gaining knowledge of who I am and what I should be doing as a teeny Samoan.
It's stuff that we may have been a part of, but we never really understood what each and every individual part means until today, when they were able to explain to us with such eloquence and such specific meanings of each and every little part. It expands your horizons of understanding just everything. And
the best thing you can do is give them a funeral that is worthy and honorable to their life.
Really makes me miss my dad because he's, I don't know, he's passed in the last 3 years and I really miss him. So being in this class kind of helps me connect, help with my grieving that I wasn't able to really experience during that period. So helping me understand it better. It's really cleansing maybe, or healing. That's what I'm gonna use, healing.